So here's our week 4 beginner ukulele lesson. Strum each of these chords 4 times and try to memorize these chords. There are some new ones in there. 1, 2, C, here we go. C, C minor, C, C minor, C7, minor, D, D7, B, B minor, B7. Okay, good job. Okay, so this is for beginning guitar continuation on our lesson using dyads.
Let's check out a riff using dyads. The riff we'll be practicing is in the key of E minor, and it sounds like this. For the fret hand, we have major and minor third intervals. The progression goes G, F sharp minor, and A minor. So let's walk through that here. We have the G dyad, F sharp minor, and A minor. Remaining notes are the 6th string open with a palm mute. For our strum hand, we just have all down strum 8th notes. We start off with 2 palm muted notes on the 6th string, then the G. So make sure none of your chords are palm muted throughout this progression. After that, we have 2 more palm mutes, F sharp minor, 2 more palm mutes, A minor, 2 more palm mutes, then we're back to G, and then for the end we have 4 palm mutes. So let's put that together slowly. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
So here's the beginner violin lesson for week 4. Out of the Essential Elements book, method book, you're going to do number 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So have your instrument ready and play along with the play along. lesson, how to bow on the open strings, fundamentals.
Okay, so now I'm going to show you the importance of bowing open strings. As a beginner, but also as you get more advanced, it's very important to always go back to your open strings and make sure that you're doing everything right in terms of sound and bow division so that you have the optimal sound quality that you want to achieve. First, you would start with the A string. Now, in a previous video, we spoke about how the fingers should be curled at the frog and then straighten at the tip for the best bow weight distribution. That's very important when doing your open strings. Another very important thing about bowing open strings is where you are, where your bow is on your string. Now, I call these lanes. This is lane 1. It's equal to the amount of hair that you have, and it's right next to the bridge. That's lane 1. Now, this is the sound you would get if you played in lane 1. Not very good. So now I'm going to move the bow over a little bit to lane 2. That was nice and big and pretty. Here's lane 3. I would say lane 3 is smack in the middle. A lot of people like lane 3 the best, but I think it's really important to learn how to play in lane 2 the best because it's a beautiful sound, but it has power. And even though you need to play and know how to play in all the lanes, lane 2 is that big, powerful sound that you want to achieve, and it's a little bit harder to play there consistently than lane 3, so it's a good one to practice. Lane 4 is getting a little bit closer to the fingerboard, and when you get a little bit closer to the fingerboard, you'll notice that the sound decreases. And this is lane 5, almost on the fingerboard. So your optimal place when playing open strings is in lane 2. So now you know 2 things. You're going to curl your fingers at the frog, and you're going to place the bow in lane 2. And make sure that it's a really straight line, very parallel to the bridge. You don't want the bow this way, that's diagonal to the bridge, or the other way, also diagonal to the bridge the other way. Parallel, straight with the bridge, and pull it. And make sure it doesn't leave lane 2 at all. So here's open strings on the other strings. G string. E string. And both